Hello, everybody. Last Sunday, I visited the exhibition in Lillestrøm. That's Camp and Wheelmark. In English, it means camping and wildlife. And I decided to make a little review of that exhibition. The exhibition is located in four halls. Hall B, Transport and Campers. Hall C, Hunting and Dogs. Hall D, Fishing and Food. And Hall E, Outdoor Life. Here we can see all kind of SUVs loaded and equipped with tents on the roof and on the trailer, as well as trailers of varying quality and degree of outdoorness. The next hall is hunting, weapons, and dogs. I didn't find anything new in shotguns and pistols, but in optic section there is thermal imagers and night vision devices with matrices almost everywhere, matrices and electronics. Priced from 1,500 euros to 5,000 and weight from 700 gram to over a kilogram. So in general, it's not my segment. Here we can see stand of safari outfitters and other tour operators and companies. And here's again revolutionary technologies in spying on all living things. It seems to me has an interesting trailer with an inflatable frame. So let's take a closer look. Salami and all the other snacks. Here we can see a shooting simulator for shooting at moving targets. Very interesting things.
Nej, jag ska inte det. Jag ser ju ingenting. Hade jag ögonen här så nej, 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 nej.
This year, archers appeared in the exhibition first time. In Norway, bow hunting is prohibited, but here they decided to advertise themselves as sportsmen. Yeah, they're also interesting hobby. Why not? Yeah, that's good. And here is a quite big stand with all the bow accessories. All kind of quadricycles from kids till heavy duty quadricycles. Here starts fishing paradise. But this time there are fewer stands than last time. I've been here 3 years ago and there was much more. Next area is the world of handcraft masters. So handmade knife and some parts. So let you to assemble by yourself the knife. There is handmade flies are imitation of all kind of insects that will help to lure and deceive that dumb fish. Another handmade is clothes made from natural fur, very attractive to man, better than flies to fish. Well, so the last hole is outdoor activities. Here is a lightweight packraft, and the price, by the way, has dropped by 2 times compared to the last visit. I've never seen this type of tent before. Probably there's something new. But this type of wigwam used to be widely represented, yeah. Okay, that kind of tents are fashionable this season. Kind of tents that are stretched between trees at a height, made for the elves, probably. There is a water tourism department, and the boat can be tested right here on the water if you want. The pool is big enough for this.
Å nei, nå kommer vi inn i farlige soner her.
Yeah, 3 years ago, Backraft have a price 2 times higher than today. So that's all briefly about that exhibition. So see you next time. Bye.